nandito kami sa New York ngayon. I-explore namin yung New York. Just imagine, 30 minutes away lang kami sa New York City. Never kami pupunta dito. And then ngayon, naisipan namin ipasyal yung mga bata para makapaglakad-lakad kami dito. So, samahan nyo kaming i-explore yung New York City. Let's go!
Mommy!
So, isa sa mga attraction na pwede natin makita dito sa New York, yung mga nag-show dito na mga grupo sila. What's that, Lucas? What's that? Go on the front, Lucas. Your kid. It's okay. Come on, I'm waiting for you.
This jump is a little bit too easy. This jump for me is too easy.
Bukod sa mga nag-show dito, marami kayong pwedeng makita dito na libre. Since dumating kami dito 7:30 or mag-8 na. Medyo late na. So, dito na kami sa Times Square mag-ikot-ikot.
Everybody throw your hands!
So,
I see Batman.
huh?
I see Batman.
Oh yeah, Batman's over there. Batman is over there. So, Lucas, you like city? In the city? Gusto mo? Namin ngayon yung kung saan nagtrabaho si Spider-Man na Pizza Hut. Nahanapin namin. Sobrang daming tao dito, ang hirap pumunta eh. Kaya kahit na malapit lang kami sa New York, minsan natamad kami sa sobrang traffic dito. Just imagine, pag walang traffic, makakarating kami dito 25 minutes. Pero dahil nga traffic, nagiging 1 hour. Dahil sa sobrang traffic, lalo sa George Washington Bridge. Bago ka makatawid doon, minsan 30 minutes. Supposed to be 15 minutes to 10 minutes lang bago kung walang traffic. Dahil nga traffic, minsan nagtatagal ng 30 minutes bago ka makatawid. So, hanapin natin yung Pizza Hut na... Ano pangalan ng pizza na yan?
Joe's Pizza.
Joe's Pizza. Oh, Joe's Pizza. Go! Hey! Go na! Dance! So dapat ang pagpunta ng city, dapat maaga pa eh. Kaso mas na-appreciate ko tong city pagka gabi. Maliwa, yung mga ilaw niya, yung lightning niya, yun yung gusto kong nakikita dito. Pero pag early, maraming kang mapupuntahan dito na attraction dito sa city. Dahil nga nainip kami sa bahay, so sabi ko, pasyal na lang namin yung mga bata. Hindi, pumunta kami ng city. Yup. Sino pumunta? Laylay!
Ganda.
Yun na. Dito nagtrabaho si Spider-Man eh. Kung mababalikan nyo yung movie ni Spider-Man, dyan siya nagtrabaho. Puntahan natin. Wait lang, mamute ko lang tong video na to. Ay, ang store na yan, yung champs na yan, dyan yung unang-unang trabaho ko. Sila lang yung tumanggap sa akin dati, nag-janitor ako dyan dahil wala pa akong visa nung pagdating ko dito eh. Wala pa akong working permit. Nakakamiss lang, naalala ko lang to. So, ganyan kadami kumakain dito. Kasi sikat to eh, sikat. Ha? Aha. Ayan, dito nagtrabaho si Spider-Man. Diyan nagtrabaho. So, hindi na kami pumunta doon sa may Joey's Pizza na yun dahil kami tumuli doon sa may ano, kasi nagtrabaho si Spider-Man. Dito na lang kami sa 99 cents. Kasi napakahaba ng pila doon. Sasayang yung oras namin.
Dad.
So, try natin tong 99 fresh pizza nila.
Daddy.
Yes.
Did Spider-Man get kicked out
Huh?
though? Did Spider-Man get kicked out though?
Oh, yeah.
But now he lives at.
So Joe's Pizza, dapat kami pupunta dahil nga maraming pila. Yun, no? Yan ang pila eh. Ginawa namin, nag 99 cents pizza na lang kami. Yan. It's good, Lucas? How about you, Eli? It's good? Ha? Luna? It's good? Oh, meron nagbe-beach dito. Oh, ganda-ganda lang na.
Nagpipizza siya.
Ayan, dahil nagagabi na, gumaganda na yung mga ilaw dito sa city. Ito yung gusto kong makita ng mga bata. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Kakain muna ako. How many slices you can eat, Lucas? Usually. 2 slices, 3 slices, how many slices?
Usually maybe 4.
4 slices?
4, 3.
Oh, wow.
I love pepperoni.
Huh? You love
I love
pepperoni,
pepperoni
right?
too much.
Oh, yeah.
I keep getting so much cheese, Dada. Daddy, I keep getting so much cheese pools.
Oh, yeah?
Get
Okay.
it today, right now.
Oh, that's another slice, Lucas? Oh my God. That's a lot. Your big bite, Luna. That's a big bite. Eating pizza on the city. Right, Lucas? Huh?
Well, tomorrow we're going on the city.
Yeah, tomorrow too. Gonna go Central. Okay?
We're gonna go biking.
Biking with
Dad, doing that Eli, new bikers.
okay. See. Yung cheese lang yung kinukuha mo eh. Ah,
Me and me like it, keep getting cheese.
I know. How many slices did you eat now? 2? Oh my God. One?
Yeah, but it's a big one.
It's a big one.
Luna, even though it's one, it's a big one.
It's like a 2 slice, Luna. Yeah, look. Oh, that's the big
Look,
bite.
because look,
Yeah, that's 2 slice. Remember?
they forgot to cut the other.
Yeah. How about you? You almost done? Oh man. I thought you're done. Ah. You're not done yet? Huh? Laila! So, gusto daw itry ng mga anak ko yung M&M's dun, no? Yun, yung M&M's dun. Saka kami dun. Doon na yung pinaka Times Square.
Garden
Daming tao. Sobrang daming tao. Sa Friday kasi ngayon eh. Kaya napakadaming tao ngayon dito. Ayun, kami doon. Lai! Layla!
Layla girl!
Layla! We're here at M&M store.
M&M.
Yeah. M&M store.
That's M&M.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
These are all upstairs. Let's go upstairs.
Okay, go.
Oh, yo.
Go, go, go.
Let's go upstairs.
It's okay. You're not allergic to that. Okay.
Dad, may peanut yan.
Go another side. Go another side. Come on.
Luna.
De cualquiera. Vas a llenar, pero llena poquito a poquito. Vale.
So you can get more if you put a lot. Right?
I want to get the blue ones too.
Okay.
I want to get blue.
Huh?
Okay, get blue one.
Wait.
Luna.
I'm gonna check how much is this.
Hi, Rewa. Happy? Hey, Luna, right? Take here, Luna. Go, get a blue one for Kuya. Kuya wants blue.
You can get all color. You can get.
Well, I
Luna,
don't have.
get pink, Luna.
Which one is pink? This one?
Yeah. No, they're right here. It's really cute, baby. You want these colors? Get green.
Luna, you want blue?
Wait, guys. Let's go over there.
Eli, let's go. Okay, let's. Oh, go. Watch out, Lucas, your step.
Rainbow.
Oh, that's the one good, Lucas.
This one?
Yeah.
This one is better. That one. I'm gonna take from mommy.
Huh?
I'm gonna take from mommy.
Okay, you're gonna share. You're gonna share.
I'm gonna share mommy too.
Okay, you're gonna share your mommy. Okay.
If it's wasting, then we can put more. We can organize more.
But we have this. Hi, let's go here. Let's go. Eli, where's yours, Eli? Welcome.
Are you happy, Lai?
Dad, what did you get those?
Huh?
What did they get those? Not me.
Which one?
Dad.
Because you don't take it. Get one if you want. Faster.
Come on.
Can I get another one ice cream, please? He's gonna get another one.
Another one? Okay, got you.
Our blankets are 50% off. Would you like to add one to your purchase today?
Oh no, it will be fine. Thank you.
Of course, $121.90 will be your total.
Oh my God. You too much spoiled to ate. Oh, what you gonna say to ate, Luna? What you gonna say to ate? Give a hug, ate. Luna, give hug ate and say thank you. Laila, Eli too. Hug ate.
Ay, no more. Give me this.
Thank you. Have a great rest of your
Bev, may 109 niya kano. May 109 niya ako. May 100 on niya.
It's okay.
Oh, get it done. Oh, get the ice cream. Get that only the ice cream. Get the ice cream first. Eat the ice cream now. Yummy?
Hero? Ha?
Lucas, did you have fun? Okay, let's go home, okay?
Yeah. We're always just scared. It's like things like this.
May bus na umiikot dito sa New York eh. Yun no. Ewan ko lang magkano bayad doon pagka sumakay ka doon. Pero ang alam ko, mahal. Ang dami nagsasabi na magbubook ka dapat sa online. Kaysa dito ka magbook, mas mahal yata dito. Ganyan kagulo dito sa New York. Alright! He wants to buy a cheesecake here. Sabi ni Katkat, famous daw ito yung cheesecake nila dito eh.
It's famous.
Huh?
It's famous.
Okay. Bye! Enjoy! Luna, you don't wanna go? Lucas, don't do that. I told you it's dirty. Everything is dirty in the city. Let me see your M&M, Lucas. Did you have fun on the city?